This is my Hamilton Beach air purifier, and these are my carbon replacement filters. This comes in a 3-pack. My air purifier is a little smaller, so it only takes 2 at a time. And I'm going to show you that you definitely need to replace these. It also comes with this little guide that you activate it by pressing this little, you press this and open this up, and then you turn this and you stick it right inside here, and it'll tell you when it's due for a new filter. Now I put it in here and it'll tell me when it needs replaced again. Okay, so let's open this up and I'll show you. Look at those filters. Ew. They're very dirty. This is why we replace them. So all you do is pull these out carefully. They're so easy to put in. This is the HEPA filter. The HEPA filter can also be replaced, and this is what gets rid of your dust, pollen, and mold, while the carbon filters are what gets rid of any smells, kitchen smells, house smells, litter box smells, whatever you've got. And now I'm going to replace it. So you just slide these in. They're real easy, just slide them right in there. And they last a few months, and the little guide will tell us when to change it again. I highly recommend these and this system to keep your air clean.